Hey goobers, and welcome back to class. Today we are going to be learning more on angles and specifically about the complementary rule. So if we remember from yesterday, we have specific angles called right angles and they make up 90 degrees. We can know where these angles are because of this symbol here. So when we have multiple different angles that come together to make a 90-degree angle, they are called complementary angles. So what we have is this rule called complementary rule, named after the angles, and it is where two angles add up to make a 90-degree angle. So basically, when you have two angles side by side to make a 90-degree angle, can't be any bigger than 90 degrees or any less than 90 degrees, has to be 90 degrees exactly. So if we go down here, we can see two different kinds of angles. We can see how there's this angle here and this one here. And when they combine together, they make one large right angle. So this is an example of a complementary angle. Now if we look at this one, again, there are two different kinds of angles. There's one here and one here. But when they come together, they make an obtuse angle. You can see that here. That is not complementary because it is greater than 90 degrees. So this is our non-example. So not all the time do we end up with images though. Sometimes we're given numbers. And as I stated before, angles are measured using degrees. So when we take those 2 degrees of those angles, they have to add up together to be 90 degrees. So we have some examples here that we're going to go ahead and try out. So we have to decide which of these angle pairs make our complementary angles. So if I had two angles put together that are both 55 degrees, so I have one 55-degree angle and meaning plus a 55-degree angle. If I put those two together side by side where they share a side length, we are going to get one large angle, and we can find out that measurement by adding them together. So if we add 55 to 55, we're going to get 110 degrees. Now we have to ask ourselves, is that equal to 90? The answer is no. So this first one is not a complementary angle. So then we move on to our next one, and we do the same step. We have to look at the 2-degree measurements. So we have a 30 degrees and a 60 degrees. And this and here is telling us we have to add. So when we add 30 degrees and 60 degrees, we get 90 degrees. Now, is this equal to that 90 degrees we're looking for complementary angles? Yes. So we know that this one is. So I want y'all to pause this video and try the next 3, now that we've done 2 examples, and tell me whether or not these are 90 degrees or these are not 90-degree angles. So when they come together, are they going to be complementary or not? So go ahead and pause and try this now. So if you've hit play, I'm assuming you've gone ahead and tried this out. So we're going to go ahead and try it, and I hope you follow along with me. So I'm going to make a table over here so I can separate my work, make it a little organized. So we have C, this one right here, says that we have a 45-degree angle and a 46-degree angle. So we have to add those up. So 6 plus 5 is 11. And 4 plus 4 is 8, and we have that 1 we carried. So that's going to be a 91. Now, is 91 degrees equal to 90 degrees? No. So C is no. This one does not make a complementary angle. So now we're going to move on to D, where we have 72 degrees and 18 degrees. So we're going to add those up. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So we carry that 1. And 7 plus 1 is 8, plus this extra. That's going to be 9. So 90 degrees does match our complementary angle rule. So this one is also a complementary angle. So we can say yes to that one. So now we're on our last one, E. We have 27 degrees and 63 degrees. So we have to add those up. 7 plus 3 is going to give us 10. 6 plus 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. So we can see that E's angles put together are going to be complementary because 90 is equal to 90. So this one is also a yes. So out of our 5 angle pairs given to us, we have 3 of those are complementary angles. So I hope you join us later on this week when we cover supplementary angles and what that means. But for now, I hope you are continuing to practice at home by finding practice problems or doing problem sets your teacher gives you. But other than that, I hope you have a great day, and I will see y'all later. Bye!